Alright, today not as a politician, but as a soldier who wrote this country's uniform. Mnangagwa was not even a whisper, when the only cartel we knew was Ian Smith's Rhodesian Front and its foreign backers. ZANU-PF must choose between its founding values. The Mnangagwa cartel was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timida Mashoko are retired Lieutenant General Wilson Skokima Prankam Danyara Chiti. I write because I have watched with a growing alarm how a small clique of entrepreneurs and brief as businessmen has hijacked the soul of a liberation movement that was built on blood, not on bank balances. The cartel has no loyalty to the party. Mnangagwa, those who accumulated obscene wealth, not through production, but through proximity to power, have never fought for this country. They did not carry rifles through Chimoyo or Nyazonia. Their war was fought in boardrooms, tender committees, and offshore accounts. Today, they seek something even more dangerous than wealth. They seek to convert economic capture into political succession, grooming a dynasty that would outline the very revolution it feeds off. This is not conspiracy theory. It is the plain arithmetic of patronage. When individuals amass fortunes are disproportionate to any legitimate enterprise, and they then insert themselves into succession conventions as kingmakers, the party must ask, was the interest is actually being served? General Chwenka's claim is institutional, not personal. General Costa Chenga's path to leadership is not built on tender contracts. It is built on decades inside the structures that founded this nation, the liberation war, the integration of the armed forces, the defense of Zimbabwe's sovereignty through the most difficult sanctions. Yes, that is a different kind of legitimacy than the legitimacy of a bank account. As ZANU-PF that chooses cartel and the dynasty over institutional liberation-rooted leadership is a ZANU-PF that is forgotten why it exists. Doma developments are pangwa ine. Can I comment section videos of Muro Elmo to live on Subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.